It's hard to believe, but it's time to start working on those tax returns again. The 2024 tax season begins in less than 2 weeks, and Riley Phillips is on your side tonight with some of the changes you can expect this year.
The countdown to file your taxes is on, and you might notice some changes this year. An adjustment to your tax bracket, an increase in the standard deduction, and there's some good news if you bought an electric car.
Now is a good time to get your documents in order. The 2024 tax season is upon us, and there are things to keep in mind. You'll see some adjustments for inflation. The IRS raised the income tax bracket thresholds by 7%, which means some people could see a smaller tax bill or a larger refund. There was also an increase in standard deductions.
Hopefully your income was adjusted annually too, so there's that bracket creep of your income's moved up, your bracket moved up, so you're about the same place. But if your income stayed the same, you should see some improvement on your income just because the standard deduction went up and many other things were adjusted for inflation.
Marshall Gunn is a CPA at Gunn & Company in Jacksonville. He says you should also pay attention to which tax credits you can claim, like the Earned Income Tax Credit or Child Tax Credit. New this year, tax credits for owners of electric cars.
If you bought an electric vehicle in 2023, you want to be sure not to overlook that credit. If you did some solar improvements to your home, you don't want to overlook that credit.
And there's a new way to file your taxes. Floridians will be part of the new IRS Direct File Pilot Program, which is supposed to roll out in March. You'll be able to file your taxes directly with the IRS online for free. But if you still need help filing your returns, you might be eligible for the VITA program.
That's a program with volunteers all over the nation, and you actually call, make an appointment, and they prepare your taxes for free. They're in different areas of the community.
There are more than a dozen VITA program centers across the First Coast. For a list of locations, you can visit firstcoastnews.com. You can start submitting your tax returns January 29th. The deadline to file is April 15th. In Jacksonville, Riley Phillips, First Coast News on your side.